The Supreme Court on Friday refused to grant interim bail to former Congress leader Sajjan Kumar, who was convicted for life term in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case and had sought interim bail on medical grounds. Sajjan's lawyer said his condition has improved, but he needs better facilities which are not available at Safdarjung Hospital, so he should be shifted to Medanta Hospital in Gurugram. A bench of Justice S.K. Kaul and Justice M.M. Sundresh observed that Sajjan's condition was improving and there was no need for granting him bail to be treated to Medanta Hospital. The bench noted, "You are in jail, we cannot allow you to go anywhere you want." The 75-year-old was convicted in the brutal killing of 5 members of a family in Delhi's Nagar and setting a gurdwara on fire on November 1, 1984. The Supreme Court on Friday wrapped the centre over delay in framing guidelines for compensation to family members of those who died due to COVID-19, saying that the third wave will be over by the time that is the centre, will take steps. The court further directed the centre to file compliance reports till September 11. Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati, who was representing the centre, sought apology from the division bench of the Supreme Court comprising Justice M.R. Shah and Justice Aniruddha Bose and prayed for adjourning the matter for 10 days in order to allow it to file its affidavit. The bench vehemently opposed this and said the order was passed long back. By the time you will take steps further, third wave will also be over. The order on death certificate, death, etc. was passed long back. Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta assured the bench that this issue is under consideration and centre will soon come up with the ex gratia assistance plan. The Calcutta High Court on Friday notified that Justice Manjula Chelur, former Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, would head the special investigation team constituted by the High Court to probe into the allegations of post-poll violence that had erupted in West Bengal after the declaration of 2021 assembly elections. In its order dated August 19, the High Court had directed the constitution of a SIT consisting of IPS officers of the West Bengal cadre, Suman Balasahu, Somen Mitra and Ranveer Kumar, to probe into various criminal cases other than those related to murder, rape and crime against women. The High Court, while its earlier order had handed over to the CBI the investigation of cases related to murder, rape and crime against women that had allegedly taken place post the declaration of West Bengal Assembly elections in May 2021. The court had specified that the CBI investigation would be court monitored.